what we've gotten out of the class so far is that it really gives us the tools, kind of the senior leadership, that reinforces the why we do Blue Card.
I'd say the biggest takeaway is, again, just how we as incident commanders deal with critical thinking and how we're going to use the skill sets to better safety for firefighters and citizens.
A little bit more in depth with some of the division operations and the Mayday ops, which quite frankly is a lot of the stuff that we're trying to bring back at home. So.
It's fantastic. It's laid out great. I've noticed so far it's got training in mind when they designed it and laid it out. It's got training in mind. All the breakout rooms, fantastic, and the food is